the #1 daily drink to boost collagen in your skin fast. Did you know that the real reason behind wrinkles, sagging skin, and weak hair and nails after 50 comes down to just one thing? It's collagen breakdown in your body. Collagen is the essential network that keeps your skin tight, your hair strong, and builds your joints and bones. The less collagen you have, the faster the visible signs of aging appear. But here's the amazing news. There's a very simple solution. Just one daily drink can reactivate your collagen, giving you smoother, younger-looking skin, stronger hair, and healthier nails. Stay with me until the end, and I'll show you every ingredient and exactly how to make it step by step, so you can start seeing results fast. This isn't just a quick fix. It's a lifestyle habit that can transform your skin, hair, nails, and overall health over time. Consistency is key. Ingredients. #1. Green tea. Steep an organic green tea bag in 1 cup of water for 20 minutes until cooled, then remove the tea bag. For maximum benefits, use filtered water and make sure it's not boiled too aggressively to preserve antioxidants. Green tea contains a potent natural chemical called EGCG, which activates fibroblasts, the cells that produce new collagen, helping your skin to repair, regenerate, and maintain elasticity. EGCG also serves as a strong antioxidant, reducing oxidative stress and inflammation, 2 of the main causes of fine lines, wrinkles, and collagen breakdown. Drinking green tea regularly also supports metabolism, detoxification, and immune health, making it a true all-round anti-aging drink. Over time, regular consumption can help your skin maintain a smooth, radiant glow, reduce puffiness, and improve hair strength from the roots. #2. Hydrolyzed collagen powder. Add 1 tablespoon of hydrolyzed collagen powder. Marine collagen, derived from fish skin and scales, is the most effective for boosting type 1 collagen in the skin, which is crucial for elasticity, firmness, and hydration. For overall body support, including stronger bones and muscles, bovine collagen is an excellent alternative as it contains type 1 and type 3 collagen. Hydrolyzed collagen delivers amino acids and peptides that are easy to absorb, promoting skin hydration, reducing wrinkles, and supporting the triple helix structure of collagen fibers. Daily intake also helps reduce joint stiffness, strengthens nails, and promotes healthier hair growth. Combined with other nutrients in this drink, collagen supplementation becomes a powerful tool to fight the visible signs of aging. #3. Organic blueberries. Add half a cup of organic blueberries. Always choose organic to avoid pesticide residues that can accelerate oxidative stress in your body. Blueberries are rich in anthocyanins, natural pigments that block enzymes like collagenase and elastase, which destroy collagen as we age. They also provide vitamin C and resveratrol, which protect collagen from UV damage and stimulate collagen synthesis. Eating or blending blueberries regularly can improve skin elasticity, reduce dark spots, and slow down the formation of wrinkles. Their antioxidants also support brain health and circulation, which indirectly benefits skin radiance by improving nutrient delivery. #4. Organic turmeric. Turmeric is a potent anti-inflammatory agent that boosts your liver's production of glutathione, the master antioxidant. Curcumin, the active phytonutrient in turmeric, regulates blood sugar and prevents damage from sticky proteins called ages, which accelerate skin aging and collagen breakdown. Daily intake can also improve circulation, reduce joint inflammation, and support digestive health, making it a multi-benefit ingredient. #5. Black pepper. Adding a very small pinch of ground black pepper helps the anti-inflammatory curcumin from the turmeric to enter your bloodstream. This gives the turmeric a chance to work in your body in order to lower inflammation in the skin and boost collagen production. Studies show that pippering actually increases bioavailability of curcumin by up to 2,000%, which can make all the difference when you're trying to promote glowing, youthful-looking skin. #6. Chia seeds. Add 1 tablespoon. Chia seeds are rich in alpha-linolenic acid, a type of fat that supports collagen and elastin production. They strengthen the skin barrier, hydrate skin cells, and reduce inflammation, giving the skin a smoother, plumper, and younger appearance. Chia seeds also provide protein, fiber, and minerals that support gut health, which is essential for nutrient absorption and overall vitality. A healthy gut directly impacts skin glow and hair strength. By the way, if you enjoyed this video, I'd truly appreciate it if you could hit the like button, share it with a friend, or drop a quick comment below. It really helps this channel grow and reach more people. Now let's continue. Number 7. Raw lemon juice. Add 1 tablespoon of fresh lemon or lime juice. This boosts vitamin C content, essential for stabilizing collagen molecules and supporting enzymatic reactions that produce collagen. Avoid store-bought juice as pasteurization destroys live vitamin C. Vitamin C also brightens skin tone, reduces age spots, and improves wound healing, making it a perfect companion for collagen-enhancing drinks. Number 8. Liquid stevia. Optional. Add 10 to 15 drops to sweeten the drink naturally. Adjust the taste. This avoids sugar, which can accelerate skin aging by increasing ages. How to prepare the drink. Blend cool green tea, collagen powder, blueberries, chia seeds, turmeric, and lemon juice until smooth and creamy. Add a tiny pinch of black pepper and blend briefly. Taste and add stevia if desired. Serve in a tall glass over ice and drink every morning to kickstart collagen production and promote youthful, glowing skin. Regular consumption not only enhances collagen production, but also reduces inflammation, protects the skin barrier, supports liver detoxification, and improves overall health. Pairing this with a balanced diet, proper sleep, hydration, and moderate exercise maximizes its benefits. Other ways to boost collagen. 1. Copper and zinc. Take a daily supplement containing 25 milligrams of zinc and 1 milligram of copper. These trace minerals are essential for several enzymes involved with collagen production. Alternatively, you can get these by eating shellfish, beef liver, and organ meats. 2. Avoid grains. Avoid grains, bread, cereals, pastries, crackers, biscuits, pancakes, and other flour-based foods. These contain phytic acid, which binds to minerals, leading to collagen breakdown and drying out of your skin. Cut these out as much as possible. 3. Don't go low-fat. Your skin needs fat-soluble nutrients like retinol, vitamin A, vitamin E, omega-3s, and vitamin D in order to stay healthy. And your body also uses them to make hormones like estrogen and insulin. This is why low-fat diets often cause people to look older, because they become deficient in these nutrients. If you want to lose weight, I'd recommend following a low-carb, high-fat diet instead. 4. Calm down. Stress raises cortisol, which accelerates the breakdown of collagen, causing thinning of the skin, wrinkling, and blocking new collagen growth. I'd recommend getting more sleep, practicing meditation, using aromatherapy, and getting more exercise to keep your stress and cortisol to a minimum. 5. Horsetail extract. You can also get more silica in your diet by eating carrots, green beans, sunflower seeds, or taking a supplement of horsetail or bamboo silica. Silica boosts type 1, 2, and 3 collagen for healthier skin, hair, nails, bones, tendons, cartilage, ligaments, and internal organs. 6. Quit alcohol and smoking. Alcohol, cigarettes, and vapes deplete vitamin C and other antioxidants, allowing your collagen to be broken down by free radicals. 7. Mineral water. Drink 1.5 ml of hard water, mineral water, each day to improve the hydration and the quality of the skin, and this will also help your liver to make more bile that removes toxins from your body. 8. Oily fish. Reduce inflammation in your skin by eating more oily fish like wild salmon, sardines, mackerel, and anchovies throughout the week. Or you can take a supplement of virgin cod liver oil or krill oil if you prefer. 9. Digestive enzymes. If you have any digestive problems like IBD, reflux, or bloating, start taking 2 to 3 digestive enzyme capsules after each meal, which also contain ox bile. These supplements are very good because they repair the gut and help your body absorb the amino acids, fats, and phytonutrients that are needed to boost collagen. 10. Intermittent fasting. Activate an anti-aging cellular cleaning process called autophagy by eating all your food in a 6 or an 8-hour window daily, and drink only water outside of these hours. This can restore the antioxidant networks through the body and helps all damaged cells to be recycled and turned into new usable parts. Thank you so much for watching another of my videos today, and as always, I wish you great health, wealth, and happiness.